Otherwise, I think I can make them last one more. Let's work on this one. Oh, okay. Okay, this is how it's sitting right now.